Hey guys, Charlani here. Thanks so much for tuning in to Charlani TV. Holy, today do I have something special for you? Okay, so listen. First of all, I want to preface with no judgment. I don't know very many people who actually clean a garbage can, but ours needed it like super bad. And I had actually, just like everybody else in the world, we Google things, right? Because Google and YouTube are your best friends when it comes to gaining knowledge, and they're such amazing resources. So I Googled how to clean your very dirty garbage can and found a video on how to clean a garbage can with a steamer, and it seemed to be the easiest way to do it with no scrubbing, just a little bit of steam and a little bit of wiping. So I thought I will do that, and that seems like the least painful way to go about this. So in this video, you are going to see my process of getting our garbage cans. I took them outside, hosed them down, brought them back in, used the steamer, and I will show you how they went from looking really bad to looking amazing, literally almost brand new. And mind you, we have had these garbage cans for probably 20 years, maybe not quite 20 years, but 15 at the minimum. So we've had them for a very long time. And I'll show you my process, what I did. Highly recommend it. As you will see, they came out wonderfully. So if you want to know how I use the steamer to get our garbage cans super clean, then keep on watching. So I'm just using my all-purpose method cleaner. I just wanted to kind of let the cleaner sit on there and get a little bit of the gook off there, because as you guys saw, this was pretty gnarly. So I let it sit on for probably about 30 minutes before I started rinsing everything out and brought it back in. But I wanted to give the cleaner a good minute to kind of sit on here, because yeah, so gross. Okay, so I just unboxed my Bissell Steam Shot. I ordered this online. I'll link it down for you guys so you know exactly what model I got. it looks like this, and I've just unpacked it. I still have to go through all the things. I'm going to read the instructions. I'm an instructions girl. Like, I'm not gonna just look at this and try and figure it out. I am going to take the time to actually sit here and read this. So you guys saw how gross and disgusting those garbage cans were. So I sprayed them, and we're gonna let them just sit. And I'm really hoping that the cleaner works and gets that muck and all that grossness off of it. So I saw a YouTube video of somebody cleaning her cans with something similar to this. So I am gonna try and do the same. And when she went in there, it looked like it came off really easily. So here's to hoping, fingers crossed, right? It has been a very long time since these you know, I actually am not sure if these cans have ever been cleaned. I personally can't remember specifically, so that means it has been a long time, So I'm gonna read the instructions, and I'm gonna figure out how to use this. Then I'm going to rinse out all of the cans, bring them in, and then we're gonna go to town with this bad boy. Okay, so it said when the light turns off that it's ready to go. So, all right, so this is ready to go. I want to put my hand in front of it, but I'm afraid it's like super hot. So I'm gonna go, not hot. Not at all. Is it supposed to be hot? Oh, it's getting warmer. Okay, not hot. Okay, we're good. All right, so I am going to rinse all of the cleaner off of those. Let's see how good that got. And then we'll bring them back in, and then we'll use this bad boy and see how good, how clean, how squeaky clean we can get our garbage cans. Seems like an oxymoron, right? So the cleaner actually got quite a bit of the gook, but a lot of it was like very, very sticky. And then underneath the garbage cans, both of them, there were a lot of spider webs, which I'm like, oh, ew, but whoever thinks to look at the bottom of a garbage can. So again, no judgment. All right, so let's just get everything in. I was so excited. I don't know. Do you get as excited about this kind of cleaning? I do. I'm like, oh, let's get rid of this grime. Let's just do it. And I was so excited to use this and was absolutely shocked by how easy it made everything. All I had to do was wipe it out, just give it a little bit of a steam shot, and then wipe it out, and yeah, unbelievable. So excited about this little thing. I started on the bottom because I just wasn't quite sure what the Steam Shot would do. Like, I didn't want to ruin the very front of it. And then I went to the back where I was actually on the stainless steel just to make sure that it wasn't gonna like ruin the finish or anything like that. And I had nothing to worry about. It was absolutely just fine. Although I will say, if you are going to try this, I would start in the back on whatever the material is of your garbage can and just make sure that you aren't going to ruin the finish on the front or the top of your cans. Also, for the record, I didn't have to scrub any of this. I did use the little scrub brush tools, but I mean, there wasn't much elbow grease in this at all. It was basically just using the steamer and then wiping it down with my microfiber cloth, and it just completely wiped clean. Absolutely amazing. These are like the little things in life that just bring me all the joy. And this is one of them. And I cannot wait to see what else I can clean around here with my Steam Shot. I mean, seriously, look at that. Look at that. Yeah, makes me so happy. I found that the little scraper tool was probably my favorite accessory that it came with. I used that quite a bit and it was absolutely wonderful. And I mean, really, and I did notice that the liner itself, this black liner right here, didn't need as much elbow grease or as much wiping out as the main, the base of the garbage can, but this also super, super easy to clean. Now the lid was a complete other story because this was really gross, and I had a lot of those stickers that are on the top are just like, if you saw at the beginning of the video when I was pulling the garbage out of the cans in the bags, like we let them get pretty full before we take them out. So the stickers that get stuck on the top, and a lot of these, by the way, are from bananas. I thought that was kind of funny, but we were able to just wipe them out or I pulled them off. I could have also used like adhesive remover and that would have made it probably a little bit easier. But that lid was the only thing that really I had to spend a little bit of extra attention on. But everything else, super, super easy. And even the lid, it really wasn't that bad. Right, you guys, here they are. I cannot even believe how amazing it has come out. So good, so good. So this little thing, awesome. Highly recommend, especially if you have really gross and grimy garbage cans like we did. I love it. I'm so excited. Oh, look at that. You guys, look at that. I can't believe it. So yay, I did add some oils to the very bottom. And besides the scratches and dents, we literally have had these for probably more than 15 years, but for sure 15 years we've had both of these cans. So they will stay in the family. They don't look brand new, but they are definitely clean and I think look absolutely fantastic. And yes, Rob just said we need to touch up the floors, obviously. All right, yay, I'm very happy with this. Rob is touching up the floors. Yeah, definitely needs touch up. These cans have literally been here for years. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. And I hope it gives you some inspo to save the current garbage can that you have and just give it a little bit of TLC. If you liked the video, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to Charlani TV, it would be awesome if you did. All right, have a great day. Bye, guys.